Emma moved to a small town. Her new house was old but charming. One day, she noticed something strange. A door in the hallway seemed different. It had no handle. Emma felt curious. She wondered what was behind it. Emma decided to explore. As she stepped closer, the floor creaked loudly. She froze. Was someone watching her? She looked around but saw no one. Her heart raced. She took a deep breath and continued. Near the door, Emma saw a loose floorboard. She bent down and lifted it. Underneath, there was a small key. It looked ancient. Emma picked it up. Could this key open the mysterious door? Emma tried the key in the lock. It fit perfectly. With a soft click, the door opened. Inside, it was dark and quiet. She hesitated. Then, she stepped inside. The air smelled dusty and old. The room was small but filled with odd items. There was a desk, a lamp, and a box. On the desk, Emma found a note. It said, "Solve the puzzle to find the truth." Emma felt excited. What puzzle? Emma opened the box. Inside, there was a map. The map had strange symbols. Emma didn't understand them yet. But she knew one thing. This was just the beginning of her adventure.